Welcome back to our channel and to Lesson 2 of Soul Retrieval Practitioner Course. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done it, and also give the video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's begin. Role of the shaman in traditional societies. In traditional societies, shamans are healers, diviners, mediators, and spiritual guides. They are often chosen through lineage, spiritual calling, or initiation. Shamans address physical, emotional, and spiritual ailments by accessing the spirit world and channeling its wisdom and power. Shamans perform rituals for community well-being, such as rain ceremonies, harvest blessings, and rites of passage. They also serve as guardians of ancient knowledge, preserving oral traditions and sacred practices. Their role is integral to maintaining the balance between humans, nature, and the divine. Different shamanic traditions around the world. Shamanism manifests uniquely across cultures, shaped by geography, history, and local beliefs. Some prominent traditions include Siberian shamanism. Often considered the origin of shamanic practices, it emphasizes trance journeys, spirit communication, and nature worship. Native American shamanism focuses on connection with the earth, animal spirits, and ancestral wisdom. Amazonian shamanism involves the use of plant medicines like ayahuasca for healing and spiritual insight. African shamanism features divination, ancestral reverence, and rituals for communal harmony. Celtic shamanism centers on the cycles of nature, sacred trees, and the other world. While practices differ, the core principles of shamanism, healing, spiritual connection, and energy work remain consistent. In the modern world, shamanism has experienced a revival as people seek holistic approaches to healing and personal growth. Contemporary shamanism blends traditional practices with modern insights, making it accessible to individuals from diverse backgrounds. Practices such as drumming circles, guided meditations, and plant medicine ceremonies are popular in spiritual communities. Shamanism also intersects with psychology, as techniques like soul retrieval align with concepts of trauma healing and self-integration. Many view shamanism as a path to reconnect with nature and rediscover a sense of purpose. Ethics and responsibilities of the shamanic practitioner. Shamanic practitioners hold a position of trust and responsibility. Ethical guidelines include consent, always obtain permission before performing a healing or journey on behalf of another. Integrity, practice with honesty, humility, and respect for the spiritual forces involved. Cultural sensitivity, honor the traditions you draw from without appropriation or misrepresentation. Personal boundaries, maintain self-care and avoid overextending your energy. Confidentiality, protect the privacy of those you assist. Shamans must act as stewards of healing and spiritual balance, prioritizing the well-being of others while maintaining ethical standards. Importance of grounding and energy protection. Grounding and energy protection are vital for shamanic work. Grounding helps maintain a connection to the earth, ensuring stability and focus during spiritual practices. Techniques include visualization of roots extending from your feet into the earth, walking barefoot on natural surfaces, breathing exercises to center your energy. Energy protection safeguards against negative influences in the spiritual realm. Methods include creating protective shields, calling on spirit guides, and using tools like crystals or smudging herbs. These practices ensure that shamans remain balanced and resilient while working with powerful energies. Shamanism and personal development. Shamanism is a transformative path that fosters personal growth and self-discovery. By connecting with spirit guides, exploring inner landscapes, and healing emotional wounds, practitioners gain deeper insights into their true selves. Shamanic practices can enhance intuition, creativity, and resilience. They encourage individuals to embrace their authentic nature and align with their life purpose. Through regular rituals and journeys, shamanism becomes a tool for ongoing self-empowerment and spiritual evolution. Introduction to Shamanic Journey. The shamanic journey is a cornerstone of shamanism, enabling practitioners to access the spirit world for guidance and healing. This meditative state is often induced through repetitive drumming, chanting, or other rhythmic techniques. During a journey, the shaman sets an intention, such as seeking answers to a question or retrieving lost energy. They travel to one of the three spiritual realms, upper, middle, or lower world, to interact with spirit guides, power animals, or ancestral beings. Shamanic journeys are highly personal and provide profound insights into both the spiritual and physical dimensions of life. They are an essential practice for those embarking on the shamanic path, offering a direct experience of the interconnectedness of all existence. We end lesson 2 here. As previously mentioned, if you would like to get the PDF and certification for this course, there is a fee, which you can pay to us on WhatsApp. The certification will make you eligible to practice as a Soul Retrieval Practitioner. The WhatsApp number is given on the screen. The winner to our December 2024 giveaway is given on the screen. Please do contact us for your gift hamper. Giveaway for January videos will be revealed after January is over. The winner will be selected from the people who comment on our January videos. So start commenting. We will move on to lesson 3 in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.